ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ. ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿಧಿ. Right, it is clear now?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Audio and video both clear? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Super. So ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. We'll stop. ಕೇಳಿಸಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So if it is going good, we will start without wasting your time, right? So we will discuss the problem what we have given in the yesterday's examination. So based on that, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅರೈಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ. So I'll stop and explain again. So if you have no doubt, we will move on. Another, I think we have 20 minutes of 40 minutes of time. So by that time, we will finish off this 25 questions, right? Right? Shall we start one by one?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
First question was like this. A mass of 1 kg is suspended by a string A. Another string is connected to a lower end. If a sudden jerk is given to C, then they're asking us to find out this. I think we have discussed this kind of question in our synopsis. So this is a
Yes,
bar
sir.
and this is a block A. Correct? They have given a block 1 kg block. The wire length from here to here is A. They have given it as A to B, and they are telling this is B to C, and sudden jerk is given to this. A sudden jerk is given to B and C. What happens?
AB
Which
will
wire
break.
cut first? BC will cut. Correct? BC will cut first. Moment of inertia may depend again. Sorry, inertia concept will depend again. This depends on inertia concept. So if I give a sudden jerk to BC, the BC will cut first. Correct, Kanda? Good. BC cut ಆಗುತ್ತಾ first, AC cut ಆಗುತ್ತಾ first? BC?
Sir, AB ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ?
ಏ ಸಡನ್ ಜರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಂದ. ಸಡನ್ ಜರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಡನ್ ಜರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ದಿ ಇನರ್ಷಿಯಾ.
Yes, sir. Understood.
ಅದೇ ತಿಂತೀರಾ ನೀವು ಇಂಥ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. BC ನ ನೀವು ಜರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎನಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು inertia change ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ inertia. If it wants to be at rest, it remains at rest. If I give a small amount of time, if I do like this, ಇದನ್ನ ಜರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ. ಐ ಪುಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಅವಾಗ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು AB ನಾ BC ನಾ?
AB.
Yes, sir. AB.
AB. I am giving enough time to change. Correct? I am giving enough time to change, but I am not giving time to change now. Jerk ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಜರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? BC will cut. Correct?
Correct.
Very good. Any doubt related to first question? No doubt. Jerk ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು sir? We know that jerk. Jerk ಅಂದ್ರೆ sudden force, and we know that area under AT graph. ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Area under AT graph is also called as jerk. Area. Slope of AT graph.
Slope of AT graph, sir.
Slope of AT graph is also called jerk. Slope of AT graph is also called jerk. Slope of AT graph is also called jerk. Area under AT graph is change in velocity. Correct? Area under AT graph is change in velocity. So second question. An object will continuously move uniformly until the resultant force act on it is zero. Correct? If the resultant force act on it is zero. If the resultant force is zero, then it will continuously in motion. Next, a person is standing in an elevator in which situation he finds the weight loss than actual weight. When? ಯಾವಾಗ weight loss ಕಾಣ್ತಾನೆ? When the elevator is moving up or down? Lift ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ apparent weight will be greater than true weight. When this lift is moving down, apparent weight is less than true weight.
Yes, sir.
So he feels that he is less weight when the lift is moving down. Elevator is moving down. Very simple. The next question, fourth one. A mass of 1 kg is suspended by a thread. It is, first one, lifted up with an acceleration 4.9 meter per second square and lowered with an acceleration 4.9 meter per second square. The ratios of the tension. They're asking us to find out the ratios of the tension.
3:1.
find out the ratios of the tension. ನೋಡಿ observe ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ tension formula T1 is equals to m of g plus a. ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ tension m of g plus a. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ tension m of g minus a. ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ tension m of g minus a. They are telling it is accelerating up with an acceleration 4.9. So T1 is equals to mass is equals to 1 kg. 9.8 is acceleration due to gravity, or else you can take it as 10. No problem. 10 ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Right? So 9.8 plus it is moving with an acceleration 4.9 meter per second square. Add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 14.7 9.8 plus 4.9.
14.7. Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
T2 allocate ಮಾಡೋಣ. T2 is equals to mass is equals to 1 and g is equals to 9.8 minus 4.9. So minus ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get back as 4.9 Newton. Correct? So this is T2 and this is T1. Take the ratios of T1 by T2. T1 by T2 ratio ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 14.7 divided by 4.9. So 4.9 ones are 4.9 threes are 3:1. How many of you got the answer as 3:1?
I got it, sir.
I
Sir,
got
I also got.
very good. What about others? ಬಂತು ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಬರಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ I got very good. So the next question, force vector applied on a mass is represented by F is equal to I cap 6I cap AJ cap plus 10K cap with accelerated with 1 meter per second square. What will be the mass of the body? Very simple question, you can find mass of the body 10 root 2 ಅಂತ mass of the body 10 root 2, right? So
Yes,
F
sir.
is equal to m into a, second law of motion ಮೇಲೆ problem. So mass is equals to F by a. Mass is equals to F by a. F is equals to under root of what I given 6 square plus 8 square plus 10 square divided by 1. So that is equals to under root of 200 divided by 1. So that is equals to 10 root 2 kg. 10 root 2 kg. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. This is question number 5 and right. I'm absolutely right. Question number 5. Let's move to question number 6. The apparent weight of a body when it is traveling upward with an acceleration 2 meter per second square and mass is 10 kg. Moving up, apparent weight is given by formula n is equals to m of g plus a. M is equals to, they have given the value of m is equals to 10 kg. Moving up, acceleration due to gravity broadcast, they have given 9.8. So acceleration, they have given it as 1 na? 2 na? 2.
2, sir.
2. So it is equals to 11 into, sorry, 10 into 11.8. So that is equals to 118 Newton. Na?
Yes, sir.
118 Newton. Simple, easy, very good. Next, 7. A body of mass 1 kg is falling with an acceleration 10 meter per second. Its apparent weight will be g is equals to 10. What is the answer for this? A body of mass 1 kg. 1 kg ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ with an acceleration of 10 meter per second square, where g is also equals to 10 meter per second square. What is the weight of this body?
0.
Weight of this body.
0.
ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕಂದ? What is an apparent weight of this body? 0 na?
Yes, sir.
0.
Yes, sir. 0.
Calculate by using the formula. Question number 7 na? Question number 7. N is equals to m of g minus a. It is moving down. So they are telling 1 kg, g is equals to 10 and a is also 10. So 10 cancel, answer is equals to 0. 8th one. 8th one. A lift of 1000 kg is moving up with an acceleration 1 meter per second square in upward direction. The tension developed in the spring which is connected to the lift. That is important to calculate. Acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. Lift is moving up or down? Moving up. T is equals to m of g plus a na? Moving up or accelerating up? Sorry. Accelerating up. Accelerating up. M into g plus a. So they have given the value of m is equal to 1000. They have given the value of m is equal to 1000. G value they have given it as 9.8. and acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration they have given it as 1. So total is title 1000 into 10.8. So it is equals to 10. 800.
1800 Newton.
10,800 kanda. 10,800. Correct. 10,800. 10,800. Any doubt here? Up to here? No doubt, sir. ನಾನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ, ನಾನೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಯಾ? ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಸರ್.
No doubt, sir.
ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. A man weighing 80 kg is standing on a weighing scale in a lift which is moving up with an acceleration 5 meter per second square. Moving up, acceleration upward. Correct? Moving up with an acceleration 5 meter per second square. What will be the reading of a scale? What will be the reading of a scale? So n is equals to m of g plus a, accelerating up. So mass of this is equals to 80 and g is equals to 10 plus a is equals to 5. So that is equals to 80 into 15. What is 80 into 15? 1200. 1200, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Same question. A man of weight 80 kg is standing on an elevator which is moving with an acceleration 6 meter per second in upward direction. So same question. N is equals to m of g plus a, moving up. So m is equals to 80, g is equals to 10. They have given it as 10 plus 6. So it is equals to 80 into 16. So that is equals to 1280 Newton. 1280 Newton. 1280 Newton. I think 10 questions are clear. Any doubt up to 10 questions? Any doubt up to 10 questions? No?
No doubt, sir.
Very good. We will continue with 11th. 11th is a continued one. So 11th one is like this. They have given 3 equal weights A, B, C of masses 2 kg. Each are hanging on a string pausing over a frictionless pulley as shown in the figure. The tension in the string connected with B and C is. They have given the pulley like this. The diagram they have shown like this. Pulley is here and it is hanged with the masses. Here we will get block A and here I will get block B and here I will get block C. Block C will say that. So each of masses 2 kg and 2 is acting. So both they are asking us to find out the tension between B and C. They are asking us to find out the tension between B and C. They have given G is equals to 9.8. Correct? Equally G is 9.8 meter per second square per meter. They have given it as G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So 10 ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು approximate value search ಮಾಡೋಣ. 10 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 plus 2 4 ಆಯ್ತು. 4 ಇದ್ದಾಗ total downward force is equal to 40 ನಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
2 into 10 downward force is 20 na. Find out A with this. Katam 40 minus 20 is equals to total mass 2 plus 2 plus 2 6a. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 20 is equals to 6a. Therefore A is equals to 20 by 6. 2 3s are 2 10s are. So acceleration is equal to s to 10 meter per second square. They are asking us to find out the
10 by
tension.
3,
10 by 3.
10 by 3. 10 by 3. They are asking us to find out the tension here. If tension na calculate ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So 40 ಬರಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Instead of 40 I'll get 20 again. Correct? ಈ box ಮಾತ್ರ consider ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 20 Newton is acting down. Force responsible for momentum is 20. Opposing forces. T na? Opposing forces. T is equals to mass of the block is 2 into acceleration is 10 into 3. Right? So ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬರೋಣ ಇದನ್ನ. Let me bring this towards the side. 60 minus 3t is equals to 20. So 3t is equals to 40. 3t is equals to 40. Therefore, t is equals to 40 by 3. Approximately 30. What is an answer? 30 idea?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
13 option idea?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So 9.8 point ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Nothing difference. 40 into 9.8, 20 into 9.8. 9.8 common. 9.8 common so 20 into 9.8. Correct. So you get back the same. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Don't take tension. Four into 9.8, 2 into 9.8. 9.8 common 2 into 9.8 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. So you get back 13 only. What is the question number? Question number is 11th. 11th question is like this. We will go to 12th question. We'll go to 12th question. Three blocks. They have given the blocks. Three blocks on a horizontal surface. Block A, block B, and block BC. They are kept on an horizontal surface, as shown in the figure. Block A is 1 kg, block B is 8 kg, block C is 27 kg. And T3 is acting in this direction. They have given the value of T3 is equal to 36 Newton. 36 Newton. They're asking us to find out the value of T2. They're asking us to find out the value of this T2. So how to find? Force which is responsible for momentum is 36. Opposing force is 0 is equals to total weight. 27 plus 8 plus 1, 36. A. Therefore, A is equals to 1.
Yes, sir.
A is equals to 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
T2 is acting in this direction. Consider this body. The force which is responsible for momentum of the body is 36. Minus opposing force is T2 is equals to mass of this body is 27 into A is equals to 1. So therefore answer is T2 is equal to 36 minus
9.
27. 9 Newton. 9 Newton. Done? Shall we move to 13th question?
Yes, sir.
13th question going. So
Yes, sir.
three solids
Yes,
of
sir.
masses M1, M2, M3 are connected with a weighing string in succession and are placed on a frictionless table. If mass M3 is dragged with a force P, the tension in the string between M1 and M2, M1 and M3 is. But we'll write the cursor in the form of diagram. There are given three boxes, which is kept on a table, frictionless table. M1 M2 is connected with a frictionless string and M3 is connected with a string again. So they are telling M3 is dragged with the force T. M3 is dragged with the force T. Either way T force act ಆಗ್ತಾ the tension in the string between M2 and M3. They have to find out the tension between the string M2 and M3. Illi tension. Let me call it as T2. Let me call it as T2. How to find out this? First, let me find an acceleration of this. Force responsible for momentum is T. Opposing force is 0. Is equals to total mass M1 plus M2 plus M3 into acceleration is A. Therefore, A is equals to what happens? T divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Done? They're asking us to find the time T2. We'll find out what I get there. T2 find out what force responsible for momentum is T and opposing force is T2 is equals to mass is M3 into acceleration T divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. M1 plus M2 plus M3. ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೋಣ. Let me bring LHS RHS equate ಮಾಡೋಣ. T minus T divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3 into M2, where there is no is equals to T2. We have to find this only. Therefore, T2 is equals to LCM M1 plus M2 plus M3 numerically. T common together. T common together. What is left here? M1 plus M2 plus M3. Ile M2 ಇದೆ. M2 ಇದೆ. So it remains with minus M2. M2 na M3 na? M3, sorry, M3, M3, M3. This M3 and M3 get cancelled. Therefore, T2 is equals to M1 plus M2 divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3 into T. Into T. We have option available.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Third option. Is it right? Third option is right.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
How many have to solve this question? ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಬಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ
ಸರ್
Yes, sir.
ಇದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಇದು ಸೂಪರ್
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಇದು ಸೂಪರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ T2 is equals to M1 plus M2 by M1 plus M2 plus M3 into T. Very good. So last problem ಇತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ 12th problem ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ if I am not wrong 12th problem ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ 12th problem ಹೋಗಿ ವಾಪಸ್ 12th problem look very similar to this correct. So 12th problem ke direct formula is M1 plus M2 by M1 plus M2 plus M3 into T. I recommend not to follow the formulas in this. Talene keduskonake hogingira formulas. We can solve without the formulas. Right? So let me move to the next question. Yeah, question no? 14th question. Any doubt in this? No doubt. Very good. 14th question. A block of mass M1 rest on an horizontal table and a spring tied to the block is passed over a frictionless pulley at the end of the table and to the other end of the spring is hanged with a box M2 the acceleration of system. Acceleration of system. They have given a box M1. This is box and it is connected to a frictionless pulley and it is M2 table. M2 obviously downloaded okay M2 into G opposing force is 0. They are asking us to find out an acceleration. Very simple to find out an acceleration. Force of force M into G. Nils of force 0. Another change actually. Force of force nils of force. M2 G minus 0 is equals to M1 plus M2 into A. M1 plus M2 into A. They are asking us to find A. A is equals to
M2 G by M1 plus M2.
M2 into G. Done that? Super, sir. Two masses 5 kg and
Sir, figure ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ.
figure ಮೇಲೆ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಲ್ವಾ Two masses 5 kg and 10 kg are connected to a pulley. As shown in the figure. Figure ಕೆಳಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು 16th ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. Need not to take tension. Figure ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. It's not a big deal. Correct? Two masses 5 kg and 6 kg are connected by a pulley. What is an acceleration of the system? Diagram ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವೇ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು diagram.
Yes.
You can write the diagram. It's not a big deal. What is the question number? Question number 15. Question number 15. Pulley. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 5 kg ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 10 kg ಈ ಕಡೆನೇ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 5 kg ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆನೇ ಬರಲಿ 10 kg ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ 10 ಈ ಕಡೆ 5 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ 10 kg na what is the force acting downwards 10 kg 10 kg ಮೇಲೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 10 kg 5 kg ಮೇಲೆ
Yes, sir.
ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 5g correct 10 kg ಮೇಲೆ 10g ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 kg ಮೇಲೆ 5g so what they are asking us to find acceleration ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ acceleration ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ it's enough acceleration ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು 10g minus 5g is equals to 15a correct So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5G ಉಳಿತು is equals to 15A. Therefore A is equals to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5G by 15. 5 ones are 5 threes
1
are.
by 3.
How many of you saw this?
I did
How
this,
many
sir.
of you saw this? Very good.
Sir, I did.
Very good. But ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ we have to find out the tension T1. So tension T1 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. T1 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು? T1 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ they have to give in diagram ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
ಸರ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ T1 ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ I have given diagram and everything.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ? ಸರ್ let me
Yes, sir.
check 1 minute ಅಂತ. 1 minute. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಜಿ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅದು ಮಾಸಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಜಿ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5 kg 2 kg 3 kg 5 kg ಇದಲ್ವಾ 2 kg 3 kg
Yes, sir.
ಅದಲ್ಲ 5 kg 10 kg.
5 kg 10 kg 2 3 5 kg ತಾನೆ
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
So 68 question. 68 question. 3 boxes ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ horizontal ಇದು 2 kg 3 kg 5 kg. So force is acting in this direction 10 Newton. Force is acting in this direction 10 Newton. ಇಲ್ಲಿ T1 ಇದೆ. This question ಇದೆ ಸರ್ question 5. ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಾ
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ 8 ನ್ಯೂಟನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. 10 minus 0 is equals to 10A. Correct? A is equals to 1 meter per second square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 minus T1 is equals to 2 into 1. Therefore T1 is equals to 8 Newton. T1 is equals to 8 Newton. Very good. Nice. Super. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಉಲ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕೋರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 17th ಗೆ ಮಂಕಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ
ಮಂಕಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
1.5 the mass
4 ಮೀಟರ್ per second square.
ಎಷ್ಟು 4
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ 4 ಬಂತು.
4 months. So what is the question they have asked? 1.5 the massless rope which passes over a massless and frictionless pulley P is tied to a hook. Which while the other end is free, maximum tension of the rope can bear is 360. So TB is equal to 360 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಟಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ 360.
TB is equal to 360. T brake is equal to 360. With what value of minimum safe acceleration can monkey of 60 kg move down on a rope? Rope illiದೆ monkey ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. Monkey is moving down with an acceleration in this direction. Moving down, the tension TB is acting in this direction 360. Very simple. Monkey mass is 360. 600 Newton is acting downwards. Force of force 600. Nils of force 360 is equals to mass of monkey 60 into A. So 240 is equals to 60A. Therefore A is equal to 240 by 60. So 60 is
4 meter per second square.
4 meter per second square. Superb, sir. 4 meter per second square. This is question number 17. I think we don't want question problem diagram for 18th also. 18th ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ values. We don't need the diagram. ಹೇಳಿದೆ 2 masses M1 and M2. M1 is equal to 5 kg. M2 is equal to 4.8. ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ಕಡೆ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ನಾನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. It does not make any difference. It does not make any difference. Only one is 5 kg, one is 4.8 kg. ಇದು 5, ಇದು 4.8. 4.9 4.8 kg. And the mass. So they are asking us to find out an acceleration. Obviously 9.8 meter per second square ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 5 into 9.8
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 4.8 into 9.8 Very simple. Force of force 5 into 9.8. Nils of force 4.8 into 9.8 is equals to total mass 9.8 into 8. 9.8 is common here. 5 minus 4.8, 0.2 is equals to 9.8 into 8. This 9.8, 9.8 get cancelled. A is equals to 0.2 meter per second square. Correct? Correct? So 19th question. I think I have given this question. Practice ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ question ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಇದನ್ನ. Same question I have given to practice. Question 19. Two masses M1 and M2. M1 is greater than M2. M1 is greater than M2. Two masses M1 and M2. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರಾ? ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇದೀವಿ ಸರ್.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Two masses M1 and M2. Two masses M1 and M2. M1 is greater than M2 are connected by a massless, flexible and inexpensible string passed over a massless and frictionless pulley. The acceleration of the system is simple. Super. Diagram ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. M1, M2 masses. So ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು M1G, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು M2G. Clearly M1 is greater than M2. So ಹೀಗಿದೆ acceleration. So M1G minus M2G is equals to M1 plus M2 into A. Is it right? G common. M1 minus M2 divided by M1 plus M2 is equals to A na?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್.
First
ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್
option. But ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ತಪ್ಪಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ವಶನ್
Second option.
acceleration of center of mass ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Acceleration of center of mass ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. Acceleration of center of mass concept we are not yet discussed. Acceleration of center of mass ಅಲ್ಲಿ the formula will be equals to m1 minus m2 whole square g divided by m1 plus m2 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Center of mass ಅಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 7th ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ. Full square.
Exactly right. That's by whole square. Yes. ಇದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸಮೇತ right. Acceleration of center of mass will get something like this. 7th chapter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ center of mass ಅಂತ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Combination of center of mass and pulley ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. So while giving a question, I think acceleration of center of mass ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ acceleration of mass ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು. So I have given this question. What you did is right, 100% right. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ m1 minus m2 divided by m1 plus m2 into g is equals to a 100% right, to find out an acceleration.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Right? A block is kept in a frictionless inclined surface with an angle of inclination alpha. The incline is given an acceleration a to keep the block stationary. Then alpha is equals to. Very simple question. ನೋಡಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು? How many of you solve this question? This is alpha. The entire box is moving with an
G
acceleration.
tan theta.
G tan theta. Suppose entire box is moving with an acceleration a here. The box is kept here inclination. I want to maintain this box equilibrium. That means it should not move up as well as should not move down. Equilibrium maintain ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೇಲಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. The force will be acting downwards, that is called mg. Correct? If I want to maintain an equilibrium, EA ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ pseudo force act ಆಗಬೇಕು m into a. Correct?
Yes, sir.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Right sir, pseudo force act ಆಗಬೇಕು m into a. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೋಷನ್ 0 ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. acceleration opposite ಮಾಡಿದೆ 0 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? mg sin alpha ನ parallel to inclination. Parallel to inclination will get component mg sin alpha.
Yes, sir.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಥೀಟಾ ಆದ್ರೆ ma cos alpha. ಈ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ma cos alpha ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. So if we want to be equilibrium, ಇವೆರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ma cos alpha should be equals to mg sin alpha. mg sin alpha. m cancel. A is equals to g sin alpha by cos alpha is equals to tan alpha.
Tan.
Tan alpha. So I think we have solved. ಇದೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಡ್
Yes, sir. ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಪೆಂಡುಲಮ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಆಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. tan theta is equals to we found an answer for it.
Yes.
ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಇದು.
G by A ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Correct. G by. Run by questions diagram ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ change ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. Correct. Which of the following is a current statement of a forces? Current statement forces ಯಾಕೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನನಗಂತೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. First, ಎಲ್ಲ fourth option select ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Fourth option, sir.
Gravitation force is first. Weakest force gravitation. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋದು weak nuclear force. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ
Yes,
strongest
sir.
ಇರೋದು electrostatic force. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋದು strong nuclear force. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು? Gravitation force is less than weak. Weak nuclear force is less than electrostatic. Electrostatic is less than strong nuclear.
Option C ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್?
Option B. Option B is right. Gravitation ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ strong weak, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ strong electrostatic, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ strong nuclear. So second 22nd question. Action and reaction forces acts on different bodies.
Different bodies.
Different bodies.
Different bodies. Action and reaction happens in different bodies. Next, the tension in the spring is
5 Newton. ಅವತ್ತು
5
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
Newton. ಇದು ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. We had discussed for 10 minutes ಅವತ್ತು. 5 Newton force ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. Very good. A body of mass 5 kg is suspended by a spring balance and an inclined plane as shown in the figure. The spring balance measures. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್
25.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು.
25 Newton ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸರ್ ಇದನ್ನು.
ಇನ್ಕ್ಲಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್
30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ.
ಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಆಂಗಲ್ 30 ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
MG sin theta.
ಮಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ 5 kg, ಸೊ 5 into 10 into sin 30, sin 30 is 1/2. 5 ones are
25 Newton.
200 to 5 are. So it is equals to 25 Newton. 25 Newton. So vertical, sorry, parallel to inclination baro force adu mg sin theta. Theta value is there given it as 30. So mg into sin 30. We'll get an answer for that. Next, a man is carrying a box. Abhayji ishta problem with a man is carrying a
Same,
block of same question, same level, same question number.
Yes sir.
A man is carrying a block of certain substance of density 1000 kg per meter cube, weighing 1 kg in his left hand, and bucket filled with water and weighing 10 kg in the right hand. He drops the block into the bucket. How much load does he carry in his right hand now?
10 plus 1 11.
10 plus 1. Density same ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ density same ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we can add it as 10 plus 1. Density differ ಇದ್ದಾಗ
Density of water 1000.
density of 1000 is water ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we will add that masses 10 plus 1 ಅಂತ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Any doubt with the paper?
No doubt.
No doubt. Subjective ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. No doubt. ಬೇಗ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. We'll meet again. Right? Subjective ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್
No
ಇದೆಯಾ?
doubt, sir.
No doubt.
No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt in our exam. Sunday exam ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. I think problems are level ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, but we are finding it as very easy because we have practiced a lot.
Yes sir. Yes sir.
ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ವೇರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಕೀಪ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ವಿಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಅಗೈನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಆಲ್ ದ ವೆರಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Bye, sir.